over the last 5 to 10 years. There's been so many of these crashes. We want to put this to an end so that we can save lives of our people. Finally, as we leave Ogolla tomorrow to rest, I want us to remove the stigma, Your Excellency. Because I knew this man very well. General Ogolla would never have contemplated or thought about going to Bomas of Kenya to force Mr. Chebukati to alter the results of last general elections. So if we want this to be removed, as we lay him to rest. Rest in peace, our brother and my uncle, General Ogolla. Thank you.
Your Excellency, again, under your guidance and permission, allow me to invite the Prime Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi,